next topic, photodiode. Photodiode. What is photodiode? I am going to discuss. So you see here, I am observing all videos. On your video, just listen here. That's all. Yes, photodiode. The photodiode which converts light signals into electrical signals. What I am saying here, light signals into electrical signals. LS to ES. The device, the photodiode device which converts light signals into electrical signals are called photodiode. Photodiode is also called photodetector. Photodiode is also called photodetector. So photodiode is a two-terminal semiconductor PN junction device and is designed to operate with reverse bias. So 3 points are here. The photodiode converts light signals into the electrical signals, number 1. Number 2, it is also called photodetector. Photodetector. The photodiode always connect in reverse bias. Always connect in reverse bias. So principle, the main difference between LED and photodiode, PD, photodiode. The function of photodiode is the opposite of the function of LED. So LED is in forward bias. LED, the PN diode is connected in forward bias, but in photodiode it connected in reverse bias. The function of the photodiode is the opposite of the function of LED, light emitting diode. In an LED, due to the recombination of electrons with holes, photons are released. Due to the recombination of holes and electrons, it emits the radiation, photon radiation. So it gives the current, response to the current flow through the junction. Whereas in photodiode, photons are absorbed by the electron hole pair. If light is incident at a particular PN junction, here hole and electron pair is there. The hole and electron pair at the depletion layer and generates of free carriers. Free carriers means holes and electrons and constitute some current. So here the hole and electron recombine with each other and emitting radiation. But here the hole and electron pair generates, due to the light is falling on the electron hole pair, it gives some current. So that is the main difference. In LED, the diode is connected in forward bias. In photodiode, it is connected in reverse bias. So hole and electrons recombine with each other and gives rise to some current. At the junction or depletion layer, the light is falling on the hole and electron pair. These carriers, these free carriers, produces some current. So this is the principle. This is the principle you can see clearly. The diode which converts light signals into the electrical signals are called photodiode. What is photodiode? The diode which converts light signals into electrical signals are called photodiode. Photodiode is also called photodetector. Already I explained. So photodiode is a two-terminal semiconductor or PN junction device and is designed to operate with reverse bias. So photodiode principle, already I discussed. This is the photodiode figure. You can see the function of the photodiode is the opposite of the function of LED. Already I discussed. In an LED, due to the recombination of electrons with holes, photons released in response to the current flow through the junction. Whereas in photodiode, the photons are absorbed. You see, the light is incident on the depletion layer. The incident light totally absorbed by the whole electron pair at the depletion layer and generates of free carriers and constitute the current through the junction, that is photodiode. The working principle of photodiode is the photodiode photons are absorbed, light photons are absorbed by the electron hole pair at the depletion layer and generates current. That is the working principle. Simply you remember, at the depletion layer, the light is incident on the whole electron pair. The whole electron pair absorb all the photon energy, light photon energy, and electron holes move freely, produces some current through the junction. This is the working principle of photodiode. So construction of photodiode. This is the figure. This is the construction figure. Simply you try to understand, that is photodiode construction. The diode is made up of semiconductor PN junction kept in a, you see, this is the P type and N type semiconductor, or you take, this is the P type, this is N type. So this is the depletion layer. Depletion layer. This is convex lens. The light is incident on the convex lens and focused on the junction or falling on the junction. These are the light photons. So always it is connected to reverse bias. The P-type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery, and N-type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Then PN junction diode is in reverse bias. So this is a total PN junction diode is kept in a sealed box. What I am saying, kept in a sealed plastic or glass casing. The cover is so designed that the light rays are allowed to fall on one surface across the junction. So you see here, so this left side, this right side, and bottom surface is also painted. You can observe. So it is so designed, the PN junction diode is so designed. What I am saying, the cover or the plastic cover or glass coating cover so designed that the light rays are allowed to fall on the surface across the junction. The remaining sides of the casing are painted to restrict the penetration of light rays. A lens permits light to fall on the junction. That is the construction. You observe clearly that construction. You see here, this is the symbol of photodiode. You observe here, this is the anode, cathode. This is normal diode. So this normal diode, this is same anode, cathode. Light emits from this diode. This is LED symbol. So photodiode, you observe here, the light is falling on the diode. Same anode, this is cathode. This is P type, this is N type. This is P type, this is N type. So P type and N type. You observe the difference, normal diode, LED and photodiode. So construction of photodiode. The PN junction diode is placed in a box, plastic or glass box. The photodiode is made up of a semiconductor PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is kept in a sealed plastic or glass casing or box. The cover is so designed, the left, right and bottom surface is painted painted. So remaining surface or remaining sides, left, right, and bottom surface of the glass box are painted to restrict the penetration of light rays. Light rays. A lens permits, a convex lens permits light to fall on the junction. You can observe clearly on the screen. So what I am saying, you can observe on the screen. The photodiode is made up of a semiconductor PN junction kept in a sealed plastic. So this is the sealed plastic or glass. This is plastic or glass, plastic or glass case or casing. So that is the plastic or glass casing. The cover is so designed, this plastic cover or glass is so designed that the light rays are allowed to fall one surface across the junction. You observe here, the light rays falls on the junction through the convex lens. Through the convex lens. So the remaining sides, this 1, 2, 3, left, bottom, and right side. The remaining sides of the casing are painted to restrict the penetration of light rays. A lens permits light to fall on the junction. This is the construction. So working. When the PN photodiode is reverse biased. What I am saying here, what about this? This is reverse bias. So P-type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery. N-type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Then the PN junction diode is in reverse bias. You observe here, when PN photodiode is in reverse biased, a reverse saturation current flows due to the thermally generated holes and electrons being swept across the junction. I discussed yesterday. So this is P-type semiconductor, this is N-type semiconductor, this is the depletion layer. Majority charge carriers holes, minority charge carriers electrons. In N-type, majority electrons, minority holes. So if P-type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery and N-type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of the battery, due to the attraction between hole and negative terminal, the holes move across the junction, move away from the junction, the electrons move away from the junction. So due to this fact, the electrons cannot move across the junction. Electrons and holes cannot move from the junction or depletion layer. But due to some thermal vibrations inside the PN junction diode, the holes and electrons can move through the junction. It produces some current. That current is called reverse saturation current, represented by IR, reverse saturation current. So the principle is given by R is equal to I naught exponential of minus EV by beta KBT minus 1. So you can see here, when the light falls on the reverse biased, you see here, this is the light. The light falls on the reverse biased photodiode. The current, the light, this is the light falls on the reverse biased PN photodiode. At the junction, more and more holes and electron pairs are created or generated. These are swept or moving to their respective majority sides. So the electrons and holes generating a photocurrent IS flow through the semiconductor. Due to the light is falling at the depletion layer. At the depletion layer, the electron and hole pairs are generated. These are moving across the junction and move away from the junction. Due to this moving, it produces a current. That current is called photo current, represented by IS. Is. So the total current I through the photodiode is equal to I is equal to this photocurrent plus reverse current, reverse saturation current, reverse saturation current. So I is equal to Is same, but IR has the substitution. That is equation number 1. I naught exponential of minus EV by beta KBT minus 1. Where I naught is the dark saturation current. Dark saturation current. So Is is the photocurrent or current which proportional to the light intensity. Light intensity. So I naught is the dark saturation current. Is is the photocurrent. This is the working. Characteristics of photodiode. So it has two characteristics. One is VI characteristics of photodiode and number two, LI characteristics of photodiode. In LED also, we studied as it is VI characteristics and LI characteristics. LI characteristics. So without applying any voltage on the photodiode, reverse biased photodiode, also due to the thermal vibrations, it has some current that is called dark current. You see, dark current. So take on x-axis reverse voltage, on y-axis current in microamperes, reverse current in microamperes. So the graph shows the different values. I1, this is 10,000 lumens per meter square, that is light intensity. I2 15,000, I3 20,000, I4 25,000. So the light intensity I4 is greater than I3 is greater than I2 is greater than I1 because 25,000 is greater than 20,000 is greater than 15,000, you know very well. So this is the graph. The graph shows the variation between reverse voltage and reverse current. Reverse current. So this is the circuit diagram. This is photodiode. So series connection microammeter, parallel connection voltmeter. This is the resistor. So this is a variable battery. We can supply 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volts and so on. So you can see same graph. From the graph, it is seen that first point. From the graph, we can explain. Even when no light is applied, there is a minimum reverse current or leakage current following through the device is called dark current. So it shows this dark current. What is that dark current? How can we get dark current? So even when no light is applied, there is some minimum reverse current or leakage current is flowing through the photodiode. That is called dark current. Germanium has higher dark current than silicon. Second point. Only for the dark current at 0 voltage, the current is 0. At 0 voltage, current is 0. V is equal to 0. At that particular point, the reverse current is also 0. Third point. The reverse current increases with the increase in the level of illuminations, that is light intensities for a given reverse voltage. For different illuminations I1, I2, I3 and I4 we can observe in this graph. So Li characteristics. Li characteristics. Take an x-axis light intensity L, on y-axis reverse current. The graph shows the variation between light intensity and reverse current. Reverse current. From the graph, we can observe when no light is applied, there is a minimum reverse current is flowing through the diode. That is called dark current. From this place to this place, it represents that is dark current. Dark current. Second point. The reverse current linearly increases with increase in light intensity. From this point, the light intensity increases, reverse current also increases. That is the Li characteristics. Applications of photodiode. Photodiodes are used as light detectors and demodulators. So light detectors and demodulators. Photodiodes are used in optical communication systems. LEDs also used in optical communication systems. LEDs are also used in switching circuits. Here also same. Photodiodes are used in switching circuits, that is on off buttons. Power off, power on buttons are also used photodiodes. Used as converts light signals into electrical signals. That is the main application. Photodiode used as light signals, converts light signals into the electrical signals. Photodiodes are used in light detection systems, high speed reading of computer punched cards and tapes. These are also very important. These are used in high speed reading of computer punched cards and tapes. So advantages, these are available at low cost, no high voltage required, it will work at low voltage values. So compact and lightweight, these are very less weight, these are having very less weight, so these are having long lifetime. LEDs are also having long lifetime. So this is the photodiode. Photodiode. What is the working principle of photodiode? I am explaining again, you listen carefully. So photodiode. Photodiode definition. Photodiode definition: the diode which converts light signals into electrical signals are called photodiode. These are also called photodetectors. Photodiode is a two-terminal semiconductor or semiconducting PN junction device and is designed to operate with reverse bias. Reverse bias. So here, compared to LED, the function of the photodiode is the opposite of the function of LED. In LED, due to the recombination of holes, recombination of electrons, in LED, the PN junction diode is in forward biased. Then the holes diffused from P type to N type, electrons diffused from N type to P type. At the junction, the whole electron and electron hole recombine with each other with emitting photon radiation. That is LED. Whereas in photodiode, photons are absorbed. The light is incident on the junction. The light is incident on the junction. The light is divided into small packets. That small packet is called photon. That photons are absorbed the whole electron pair at the depletion layer and it generates number of free carriers, number of electron hole pairs. These are moving across the junction and also move away from the junction, produces some current through the junction. That is the principle. What I am saying, the light is falling on the junction on electron hole pair. Then the electron hole pair generates number of free carriers, producing some current. That is the working principle of photodiode. Photodiode. So construction. The photodiode is made up of semiconducting material or semiconductor PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is placed in a sealed plastic cover or glass casing. This cover is so designed. The top surface is allowed to fall the light rays and the remaining surfaces restricted to penetrate the light rays. A lens permits light to fall on the junction. This is the construction. So working, when PN junction diode is in reverse biased, the saturation current flow due to the thermal generation of hole and electrons. So that reverse saturation current is given by IR is equal to I naught exponential of minus EV by beta KBT minus 1. E is the electron charge, V is the voltage, B That is the constant value for germanium 1, for silicon 2. K beta is equal to, Kb is Boltzmann constant, capital T is the absolute temperature. So I naught is the dark saturation current. So when light falls on the reverse biased PN photodiode at the junction or at the depletion layer, the hole and electron pair absorb all the photon energy and generate number of free carriers. It produces some current or generating some current. That current is called photocurrent. It is represented by Is. So total current I is equal to Is plus IR. I is equal to Is plus, substituting IR value, I naught exponential of minus EV by beta K BT minus 1, where I naught is the dark saturation current, Is is the photocurrent. So characteristics of photodiode. We can explain the characteristics of photodiode in two ways. Number one, VI characteristics. Number two, Li characteristics. So take an x-axis reverse voltage and y-axis reverse current. The graph shows the variation between reverse voltage and reverse current for different light intensity values: 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 lumens per meter square. From the graph, when there is no light is applied, there is no light is applied on the photodiode, also it has some leakage current, some reverse current, that is called dark current. So germanium has higher dark current than silicon. Second point. For the dark current at 0 voltage, the current is also 0. The reverse current increases with increase in the level of illumination for a given reverse voltage. Reverse voltage. So Li characteristics. The graph shows the variation between light intensity and reverse current. So what is dark current? First point. When no light is applied, some minimum reverse current is flowing through the diode, photodiode, that is called dark current. So after that, from the dark current, light intensity increases, reverse current also increases. So applications. Photodiodes are used as light detectors, demodulators. These are used in optical communication systems, switching circuits, light signals into electrical signals. The photodiode converts light signals into electrical signals. These are used in light detection systems. So photodiodes are also used in high speed reading of computer punched cards and their tapes. So advantages: available at low cost, lightweight, these are having long lifetime.